Hello everyone, my name is Jeel Mewada. I study in Standard 7 in S.E.International School. Today I will be showing an experiment on ice cubes melting in fresh water and salt water. So let's start it. For this we need some ice cubes, spoon, 2 glasses of water and some salt. So now I will be adding some salt in 1 glass of water. Now I will stir it properly. Now I will add the ice cubes in both glass of water. Now let's wait for a while and see the observation of the ice cubes. So now you can see that the ice cube in the fresh water have become small and the ice cube in the salt water is bigger. Thank you.